Here at GreenTech, we hope you're thoroughly enjoying your pureAir product and all of the benefits it brings to your home. Just like with any air handler, it needs to be regularly cleaned and maintained to ensure longevity and peak performance. We'll show you how. First, you need to turn the unit off and disconnect it from the outlet or power source. To effectively clean the intake, use the hose of a vacuum cleaner to thoroughly remove any loose dust and debris. Remember, it's never advised to use compressed air or blow into the fan air intake. This can cause restricted airflow and lead to product inefficiency issues down the road. Next, dip a cotton swab into some isopropyl rubbing alcohol and gently use it to clean all of the grooves until as much visible contamination has been removed as possible. Ensure that you do the same with the front output nozzle. Once you're satisfied with the result, allow the unit to dry, sitting face down. Once dry, plug your pureAir back into the wall outlet and set the purification output to the maximum setting. Check for a green light and verify there's that familiar, clean, pure smell emitting from the unit before setting to your desired setting. We recommend that you perform this procedure at least once per month to ensure that your pureAir is giving you the desired results for years to come. As always, thank you for being a valued GreenTech customer. We're so thankful that you choose to keep your home clean with us. For more information, please visit our website at greentechenv.com.